Welcome back, part 2 for Australia versus Fiji women team for the Rugby 7 Hong Kong, Saturday, 18th of April. Right now, we are just started 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Usually, okay, I will start explaining for those viewers who doesn't understand based on my little knowledge with the rugby rules, rugby 7 rules. So they call it rugby 7. May nakahulog. Somebody's dropped this. Buti na lang walang natamaan, may nahulog. So, go back to the video. Score, nawala ako doon. Nakascore ang Australia. Oh, the same girl. Hindi. Nakascore ulit ang Australia. Nawala ako doon kasi may nahulog. That's black cone. Asan ba yun? So, balik tayo sa ating kwento. Team number 5 scored. Back tayo sa ating kwento. They call it 7, rugby 7, because the team, every country, they have to have 7 team. 7 person or 7 player. Oh my God! Ross score again! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Well, every year is different. Every year change. Last 2 years ago, Australia won. Ang ingay nang nasa likod ko, di ba? Ang ingay nila. Siya ulit. The same girl. The same girl with ponytail. I need to check with the enforcement or like security. Oh! Stop! Finally! Woo! Maawa ka sa kanila. Oh my God! She's a runner. Sorry kasi may mga drunk sa likod ko. I worry my...
I know.
Alright, nakascore.
Australia 38, Fiji 5.
So back again sa mga history or rules. So 7 member in each team, each people who are playing there. If you can count, there are 7 versus 7. So all of them are 14 if you can count. And then the start of the game, the game is within 7 minutes. Both first half is 7 minutes and the second half is another 7 minutes. So the players are 7 and then the other team are 7 and then the game will be within 7 minutes. The ball is with Australia again. Run! Wala na, tapos na. Tapos na. May Australia team diri. Australia team. Fiji and Australia, South Africa. Back to the team. Hala. Update with the score. Australia 45, Fiji 5. Time check. It's 49 seconds. 49 seconds. The ball is with Australia again. Ibigay nyo na, it's only 33 seconds. They can kick the ball, mga madam and sir. When you know that you win, you have to kick the ball when the time is end. Or when no more time. Oh, the ball is not for Fiji. You have to pick up, Australia can pick up the ball and kick outside of the field. If you know the trick, when the time ends, oh my God, oh yeah, the sound, you hear the sound? Wala, may paramedic. Meanwhile, may paramedic here. Access pala to ng emergency access ng mga pulis. Ambulance. Wait, I didn't see what happened. Congratulations. That's it, guys. Australia won the game for female or women team or women games. Let's wait for the next player.